Hello children, we are back to standard 10th, chapter number 3, pairs of linear equation in two variables. Beforehand, we have done two methods of algebraic methods of solving the given pair of linear equations. They were substitution method and elimination method. Now we are starting with the third method, that is cross multiplication method. Let me read the first sentence. For any pair of linear equations in two variables of the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Now children, you have already studied that these two are the standard forms of writing the pair of linear equations in two variables. Now if such equations are there, the solution will be given by. So you can see the statement written on your screen. It's a mathematical statement. X upon b1 c2 minus b2 c1 equal to y upon c1 a2 minus c2 a1, which is equal to 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Children, with the help of the given equations, you can easily find out the values of a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2. Now what you have to do is you have to just substitute those values in the given mathematical statement and then you have to solve for x and y. The statement can be again written in another form, that is the bottommost line here. X equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1 and y equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. This is another form of the upper statement. The method of solving it is quite simple and we will be doing it in one of the examples. Let's proceed with exercise 3.5. Question number 1. Which of the following pairs of linear equations has unique solution, no solution or infinitely many solutions? Now this part is already taught. We are going to understand or find out whether the given pair of linear equation, they are unique or they don't have any solution or they have infinitely many solution initially. That will be the very first step. If at all the solution comes out to be unique, then we are going to proceed. The question reads as, in case there is a unique solution, find it by using cross multiplication method. So only if we get the unique solution, we will proceed to find out the solution by cross multiplication method. Now, the first sub question is flashed on your screen. It is x minus 3y minus 3 equal to 0 and 3x minus 9y minus 2 equal to 0. Now, these two are the pair of linear equations. They are written in the standard form. Now, we are going to compare it with the standard forms and we will find out a1, b1, c1, a2, b2 and c2. With this, we will proceed and we will find out the three ratios. a1 upon a2, in this case is 1 by 3. b1 upon b2 is minus 3 upon minus 9, which is nothing but 1 upon 3. In this particular case, a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2. So we are proceeding and we are finding out the third ratio also, that is c1 upon c2. When you find out all these and then you get to know that a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not at all equal to c1 upon c2. So we decide that the given pair of lines are parallel. This is the condition of lines to be parallel. And if the lines are parallel, there are no solutions. Children, if there is no solution that is existing, we are not going to proceed. We will stop here And then we will proceed to the next question. The second sub question, it is 2x plus y equal to 5. So 5 will be taken on the left hand side and you will write it in the proper way. That is 2x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. That is how you will do the changes for the second equation also. That is 3x plus 2y equal to 8, which will become 3x plus 2y minus 8 equal to 0. With this you will find out a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. Once done, you will proceed to the ratios. Here a1 upon a2 is 2 by 3 and b1 upon b2 is 1 by 2. These two are not equal and we decide that the lines are intersecting, and if at all the lines are intersecting, they have unique solution. Now children, with this knowledge we are going to proceed, because wherever the solutions are unique we are supposed to solve them. So the first statement that is flashed there on your screen, it is the mathematical solution using the cross multiplication method. Then you are going to substitute the values of a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 in their proper places. Once done, you are going to solve the denominator part and you reach the fourth step here, that is x upon 2 equal to y upon 1 equal to 1 upon 1. With this, we are going to equate the first and the third. Then we are going to equate the second and the third. That is how we are going to get the value of x as 2 and y equal to 1. And these two are the solutions of the given question. Now, question number 2, the first sub-question. For which values of a and b does the following pair of linear equations have an infinite number of solutions? Now, the pair of linear equations are given to be 2x plus 3 equal to 7, and the other one is a minus b into x plus a plus b into y equal to 3a plus b minus 2. We'll write them in the standard form and then we'll find out the values of a1, b1, c1, which is quite easy in this case. Here a2 is nothing but a minus b, b2 is a plus b, and c2 will be all the things taken on the left hand side. So it is minus 3a minus b minus 2. Children, in the given question you are told that the two equations, that is the pair of linear equation given here, they have infinite number of solutions, and the condition to be infinite solution, it is a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. Once written, the next step is substitution. Herein you are going to substitute all the values. So you have obtained the last statement that is written here. Now we are going to proceed with it. We are going to equate any two of the given statement. So in the first case we have equated the first and the second part, and we have got the equation as a equal to 5b. This is basic simple mathematics. Then we have equated the first to the third one. That is why we have written it as 2 upon a minus b equal to minus 7 upon minus 3a minus b plus 2. Now you will do the cross multiplication and all, and you will proceed to get the second equation. Here the second equation is a minus 9b plus 4 equal to 0. So now with these two equations, they are nothing but pair of linear equations in two variables. So solve for it. You can use any of the methods which you know by now, and you solve it for a and b. We get a as 5 and b as 1 in this case. So this is how you solve for A and B. Now question number 3. Solve the following pair of linear equations by the substitution and cross multiplication methods. Now children, you have already studied about substitution and cross multiplication method. This particular question you can try on your own. Similarly, there are few questions which are there, sub questions which are there in question number 1 and question number 2. Please try it yourself. That's all for now. For the next, that is question number 4, I'll be explaining it in the next video. Thank you for now.